Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time we were in Halltown and Sandy Lane, some of the richest neighborhoods in Barbados. Today we are in Paynes Bay. If you thought we are done, guess what? We are not done. So let's explore Paynes Bay. Let's see what it has for us and what it can offer us. Spoilers alert, we will terminate our journey at LiQWYD. This is a University of West Indies Cave Hill campus. That being said, let's roll. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was doing a video, so I want to capture everything. Yeah, from Kenya. Yeah, electric buses they have here. So because my battery is running low, let me try and see if can find someone who will help me charge the phone so that we can cover the rest of the remaining part. The thing is that so we finish this side, we're going to the other side. I think I need to cross. Let me wait for the vehicles. Okay, yeah, good to go. I'm looking for somewhere I can charge my phone. Let me try here. Let's see even if I can buy a drink. I'm so thirsty and hungry. Hello. Hi. I did not find a charger here. Let me try to look somewhere else. It's a Swahili word for welcome. Let's see if I can get a drink here and if they have a charger. So guys, I stopped and just had some drink here at this restaurant. It's called Karibu. I told you Karibu means welcome in Swahili. Karibu, but the leaves have kinda hidden the name. There's a fish market here. They sell fish. And along there's a beach. Look at that. So beautiful. When Bejans say that they live in paradise, in a way they do. I mean, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? The camera might not be doing enough justice. I would love you to come experience this for yourselves. Most countries can visit Barbados visa free. Just imagine, you don't have to go through all the long process with embassies and immigration. You just wake up and ask yourself, which country should I visit today? Barbados. You grab your passport, book a ticket, be it via air or via sea. Off to Barbados you travel. You don't have to worry about the weather. The weather is always fair. Don't bother carrying heavy clothing. Maybe some beach shorts and some beach attire will suffice, because the beaches here are so beautiful and the waters are so tempting. There's always an urge for you to submerge yourself inside the water and start swimming. You can see some beach restaurants. Why do I have a feeling that I've seen this resort before? Oh, my name is all over here in Barbados. Harry Paul Kim. Oh, seems to be a language that I don't know. Oh, their names. I thought it was a language. There's a Harry Paul, Kim Do-yoon, Eric Norton, Juang Ni IK. names I've never heard of before. I don't know what this monument is for. Domingo. It's so difficult to pronounce.
You not know you about that life.
I've seen this resort on Instagram before. I cannot access it. And I'm not mistaken. I've forgotten the name. Let me zoom in. If you know it, please indicate in the comment section. So the restaurant is called QP Bistro, Spanish word for a little cafe or wine shop. They did not sponsor this video, but I find it interesting and I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram. So there's normally a guy who entertains guests here by blowing his trumpet and singing. So many people prefer it for wedding receptions. There is also a hangout for Rihanna when she's in Barbados. Anyway, my bank account can only allow me to pass by and admire and smell the aroma of the delicacies that are being prepared inside. Anyway, maybe if I get my money right and my pockets thick enough, I'll ever try. Look at this place, so beautiful. Look at the trees, especially the palm trees. So I think the resort is called The Cliff. Let me hope so. But I actually know the name, it's just that I've forgotten. I'll go and confirm from Instagram. The Atman Real Estate. I'm just rushing home because my battery is about to go down. But meanwhile, let me show you what I can. This one is called Villa Bonita. If you are keen enough, you will notice how Barbados is very clean. This is a dry month, but there's no dust anywhere. The roads are well maintained and paved, and I give them a plus for planting flowers everywhere. They make the island look more beautiful. I also like the diversity in Barbados. We have people from different countries, so you're going to interact with many people from other continents and countries all over the world. Although I think I'm the only Kenyan here. I haven't met any Kenyan here before or yet. So I have only interacted with people who have been to Kenya. So Kenyans and everyone else who has an interest in visiting Barbados, The gates are open and you will warmly be welcomed and accepted here with wide arms. Oh, so this is the famous Jordan supermarket I normally hear. I've always heard of Jordan supermarket. Jordan supermarket. The mornings. It's rush hour, people are going back home, that's why there's traffic. There's another restaurant here.
Take me.
I don't know the name of this flower. Is it Bougainvillea or something like Grosberia? I've forgotten. If you know, please remind me. The evening sunset did justice to the camera. It made the sceneries look more beautiful. Speaking of sunsets, I love sunsets. Do you? Everybody loves sunsets, right? I was talking to a friend of mine from Dubai, and he told me that he doesn't remember the last time he had such a beautiful sunset. So he might take some things for granted, but some people do yearn for these things elsewhere.
Me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside.
Hope you're still with me, guys. But we're almost done. This road looks familiar. I feel like, even though I've never used this road, I feel like I know it. I think this road is heading to LiQWYD racing track. Let me try and follow it and see. My instincts tell me that this road leads to LiQWYD racing track. I don't know, should I cross? Let me cross.
A greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life.
Let's go before we run out of charge. I just guessed right. I don't know what what these lights are normally called. Cannot be headlights. Silver headlights? I don't know. I'll have to check. Yeah, I was right. This is the LiQWYD racing track. Very tall booster.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when
But Kenyan police wear such uniform. I don't know if they allow people to access. Let me try and see. Hello. I'm fine. Oh. This is how it looks. Apparently, not many people are here. So this is the racing track for University of West Indies. This is how it looks. Anyway, I hope you guys can see the blue building in the horizon. I've shown you once in my video, but I think that's the route I'll be taking, so I'll show you. That's it. Let me head home. I hope the battery doesn't run low. Creative Junction 4K Ultra HD. That's the main road. The main road from Bridgetown goes all the way to what is this place? The airport side or Christchurch. You can use the Bridgetown route or you can use this one. So currently this is how everything looks like. Maybe there was an activity, I don't know. Thank God there are some stairs here I'll use to climb. Get access to the main road. Hope these dogs don't bite me. How are you doing, children? Does this dog bite? Huh? Does it bite? No. Oh. This one does. Oh. Do you have the names for these dogs? Zero. And Lash. Lash. Oh. Zero and Lash. Nice to meet you, and nice to meet you all. Yeah. Hi. Oh, my name is Sari. I'm from Kenya. 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 Yeah. Nice to meet you all.